up, guys? Welcome to Finn's Family Farm. My name is Micah. If you're new here, thank you for watching. If you're old here, thank you for watching. So me and my son-in-law went to Tractor Supply to get some hay and some other stuff and walked out with 20 bags of corn for $1. And the only reason why they were selling the corn so cheap, because it had like little black bugs, which is fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. I mean, it's made for the deer. The deer's not gonna care. So we got it for $1. 20 bags. So we are like set for deer season. Anyways, I did buy some screws for this chicken tractor. I bought some chains that I'm gonna use to hold the feed on. The feed in the water. Because I think what I'm gonna do is this pole here, I'll put the feed on it. That pole over there, I'm gonna put the water on it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So we need to get that finished for the meat birds, because the meat birds will be here in less than a month now. See, they're hatched out on July 15th, and we will get the birds between the 16th and the 18th of July. So I kind of need to get everything ready here. So yeah, but we need to go unload the hay and the corn up there in the feed house. We're also going to readjust our cameras over there, because for some reason my camera is not picking up the coyotes and stuff, but his camera is, and our camera is literally in the same spot. So we're gonna do all that. And while we're out there unloading the while we're out there unloading the hay and the corn at the feed house, we're gonna check the waters, make sure they have water. All of our chicks and chickens and turkeys that are in the brooder, they're doing good. Looks like I need to come out here and pick some blueberries for Gwendolyn. Got a lot of work to do, guys. A lot of work. So we're gonna get it, though. We are going to get it taken care of. I just need to call the son-in-law and tell him to get his butt outside. So I need to go back inside and get some batteries. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all in a few. All right, so I got the back corners fixed. And I went and bought some 2-inch screws, and I screwed the metal post into the wood, so now it can't move. And now I'm gonna do the front corners the same, and then that'll be done. And then I'm gonna go through, well, I'm gonna hang I hang the feeder in the water somewhere. Don't know where yet. So I might put the feeder one here, Put one here because I'm gonna need 2 feeders. And then the water, I'll just probably put inside on a brick instead of hanging it. I think hanging the water isn't to be too heavy, so I might just put it on a brick in here and then take it out when I need to move the pin. Oh, I think I'll do that. Leave the 2 feeders hanging. So yeah, I'm probably gonna hang them right there because it's gonna be covered. So I'll hang the feeders there. The part that I'm standing in probably won't be covered. I mean, they're meat birds, so whatever happens in 8 weeks, they'll be fine. I need to fix this, looks like. I need to get some zip ties right here. Fix that. Finish, yeah. So I'm gonna make sure that they can't get out and nothing gets in. So I'm gonna do some more work. Do some patching. Because last time we had birds break out. So I'm not gonna have it this time. All right, so my truck's in the shop to get fixed. Dropped it off yesterday, and it's supposed to get fixed this week. Well, either this week or next week. I don't know. They told me 1 week, and then they told me 2 weeks, so I don't know. But it is supposed to get fixed. I still need a mow. I haven't done that yet either. Just been too busy trying to get things done. See if I can move these tarps. That's fine. I am going to buy a 10 by 20 tarp for now instead of putting the metal on it. But I'm going to do the tarp for now. It's only going to be 8 weeks. So I'm just going to tarp half of it, 10 by 20, and go from there. So, probably what I'm going to do. And hope that it's more sunshine than it is rain. But they're meat birds. They live only 8 weeks old. Or they only live for 8 weeks and then they go to freezer camp. So, and I'll get them in a month. Next month I'll get them. Anywhere between the 16th and 18th of July, I'll get the birds. They'll be in the brooder for a few weeks, and then they come out here for a few weeks. So, they're going to be in the brooder long enough to get feathers, depending on how the weather is out here. So, yeah. That's how we're going to do it, guys. My cat needs some more water, so I'm going to give her some water. But all right, guys, let's go check on the babies. See how the baby chicks and turkeys are doing. And then we'll go check on the quail. It's not hot in here and it's not cold in here, but they don't need the heat lamp no more. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around, see what I can see. All right there. turkeys and chickens are all doing good. Getting big. That's the 2 white turkeys right here that were attacked by the other turkeys. They're doing good. So all the babies, all the baby chicks and all the baby turkeys are doing good. Now when those black chickens that you've seen, they're black copper Moran chickens. So they'll be coming out here with these chickens. Oh, there's another egg I can get. But all these chickens are doing good now. That's my last American breast chicken that I had out of those other ones. And I got these 2 Barterox and then that 1 Easter egger. So these 4 chickens are the last chickens that I have that are the original chickens. The rest of them died. So those black chickens will go in here when they get bigger. Let's go check on the turkeys. I see the turkeys. Yeah? Y'all gonna speak to me? Yeah, that's what I thought you were gonna say. Yeah? I thought you was gonna say that. So, they're a lot bigger than what they show on camera, guys. We've counted 1, 2, 3 toms. 4 hens. 1 hen possibly might be a tom, but I'll turn the camera around. They chasing a grasshopper or something. Beautiful red bourbon turkeys. I want to make sure they have water in the bucket. Sorry guys, it's hot out here. Titus is barking at something. He probably hears me. It is hot, guys. It is hot. But all the chickens and turkeys, all the poultry is doing good. So, and then when I go up there to feed the goats and the pigs and Titus, they're doing good too. But I'll show those when I get up there and let y'all know how they doing. But this is coming along. It'll be done by the time birds get here. And even if it's not done time birds get here, it'll be done in time the birds get in there. So, I mean, all I gotta do is pick these legs up let me show y'all guys what I'm talking about. So see this right here? It's not supposed to be there. There you go. It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be above the 2x4s where you can't see it. So I'm gonna unscrew the brackets here, push it up, screw it into the wood, and be done with it. And then I got 2 chains. I'll hang the chains in there, and then I'm gonna tarp it. And then it's done. So not much left to do, but the hot as it is out here, I'd rather be inside or where the fan blows to get some air. So I'm gonna I got 3 pallets left, and I'm actually gonna collect. I need to get some more pallets. Yeah, I'll get some more pallets. And then I'll buy some material. And then I'll build the pump house, the well house. Once I get the chicken tractor done, then I'll get back onto the chicken brooder and getting things for it. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna cool off some, and I'll get back out there and get to work. All right, guys. Pigs are doing good. Ham and sausage, they're getting big, slowly getting big. They're doing good. Yes, they're eating on the ground because their pen is way over there, and I don't feel like going there and getting them. But they're doing good. They are slowly becoming friendly. You know, got all the goats over here eating. You got Lazelle eating by herself. You have Dusk and all the babies over here eating. Okay. Sorry, I was missing a baby, so I had to figure out where that baby was. Dusk is hiding a baby right there. And then you got New Moon and Eclipse and Dawn. And then Midnight. They're all doing good, guys. And Titus is hiding right there in the shed, in the pallets, I mean. He's hiding instead of eating. No, there's all the kids. Then Lazelle. They're getting big. So if you don't know, this is Cookie, Lazelle, Blackout. Twinkle is black with white spots. The brown one is Brownie. That's Eclipse. New Moon. The white one is Dawn, which is the mom of New Moon, Eclipse, Brownie, and Cookie. Dusk is the mom of Blackout and Twinkle. And Lazelle doesn't have any family here. This is her new family right here. She's a different breed than what these goats are. And that is Midnight, my buck. He's a big boy. All right. It's a little warm out here. It ain't that hot yet, but it will be. See if I can get some of this stuff done. Get these 2 legs for this chicken coop done. And all right. See what we can do, guys. This works, guys. Yep, it did. Okay. Since that worked, we're going to go ahead and pre-drill these in, actually. Yeah. Well, let's see where we can. I might have to cut that off if it doesn't allow me to do what I want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this screw back up. There's not much I could do with this. We'll go ahead and tighten that back up. That didn't do no good. It's all going from this side. We'll go in right here. All right, guys, so looks like it's about to rain again. So I got the front legs of the pipe done. I've got them drilled, screwed in, and as you see, I got it cut off on both sides. And here's the other one. Sorry, about fell. So it's gone. And then while I was out here, I got the chains put on on both sides. So I'm making these adjustable. They're 6 feet long. Don't need 6 feet long, but I got it just in case. So I'll just have to adjust the chain to the height of the bucket off the ground. I still need to fix this wire. But I'm out here. I'm gonna put up my cords because it's about to rain, and I'm going to put the tarp up when I get it. So, but other than that, everything's about done other than the tarp. And I need to go around and staple in some of this, or I'm probably gonna screw in some of the metal wire. But other than that, it's done, guys. So my tarp is supposed to come in today. So, but I probably won't put the tarp on it until the birds get here, because I want the tarp to last. So, but then again, I might go ahead and put it on here and get everything ready and get this chicken tractor moved out of the way. We'll see. All right, guys, till then, have a good day, and I'll see you on the next video.